Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. You're a digital entrepreneur, and you know what? If you're brand new on this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're gonna continue to do affiliate marketing with Clickbank. Now, the series is called What is Clickbank? The Marketplace Explained. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the product we are promoting, right? Because you need to know the product before you actually go and promote it. I'm gonna give you a quick explanation how it actually works. And you always want to promote products that you believe in, that you know they're pretty good. And I'm gonna give you a few examples of how can you even earn more commissions, and not just by promoting this one product in itself. Okay, so we are going to go into Clickbank. We're gonna go into my computer, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button, say subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. So we're gonna jump into my computer and we're gonna talk about this product. Now, if you go into Clickbank, you're gonna go into the marketplace, and here you're gonna find the 12-minute affiliate system. It's hot offer, they say. Okay, you can earn the average sale is $80. The average sale is $80 when you are promoting this product. Now, this product is a funnel, okay, and the funnel has different brackets of when people move through the funnel. If they purchase the next product and the next product and the next product, you are going to earn commission. I'm gonna show you where that is. What I mentioned in the previous videos, you need to find products that have this, which is your affiliate page. Why? Because in the affiliate page, they're gonna give you every single thing that you could use to promote this product much better. They have videos, they have the landing pages, they have everything possible that you guys can use when you want to promote this product. Now we're gonna go here and we're gonna click on this button, and it's gonna bring you into this page. Once you watch this video, he will explain to you how everything works, and these are some of the results they're showing of what people are making when they're making sales. Now, when you go here, this is what the product tells you. It's a simple plug and play activation in as little as 12 short minutes. Why is that? This product already has templates inside the system with landing pages that you guys can use to promote the product, okay? Then it says easily earn commissions in the biggest and most profitable niche markets. You can build a huge email list quick and easily. Follow up with leads for months on complete autopilot. Why is all that? Because everything is ready for you to set up. They got the email autoresponders, and they have the email list. And also what they do is they give you everything for you to just copy and paste and follow the steps of this product, okay? So it says promote your affiliate products with the click of a button, even in social media. They also have a template where they tell you how can you go into social media and start promoting this product. Perfect for newbie and intermediate marketers. Okay, now if you know these guys, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Russell Brunson, and there he is, right, Devin Brown. Those are the three guys. They're like at the top of the game. They're I'll say the 1% of guys that you gotta look whenever you're doing business. See what they're doing, especially Russell Brunson. I talk about him on my channel all the time. He's the smartest guy I ever met, not in person, but I'm glad that I came across him because he's just amazing. And you'll see there's testimonials for this. You've probably seen that one. There's some of the examples right there, and this is where the funnel is, right? When you decide to go through the funnel, this is your first page, and then it's gonna tell you what the product is about, right? Then you got the next offer, then you got the next offer. That was 39, this one's 67, then you got 47, and then you got membership areas. So that's how you're gonna earn commissions lifetime. Okay, now remember, if you haven't seen the first video, go watch the first video so you understand, why we need this. Second, check the second video, because I think that's the key to understanding this product, because you are gonna go see what other people are talking about, in reviews, not only on YouTube videos but blog posts. What are they saying about the product? What exactly they've seen that the product is good or not for. So you gotta go here, and the one thing I can tell you is, like, yes, everything is copy and paste. The problem is that people are doing this and they're not using other things to create a different landing page, or if you have 150 people going through this product and yourself included, then you're copying and pasting like everybody else. Yeah, there's a bunch of different templates, and they're trying not to have too many repeat ones, but the problem with that is people are so lazy, and that's one of the things that you don't have to do. That there's will be a lot of repetitive things out there. Now you're probably saying, well, Carlos, it's the same thing with blog posts and all that stuff. That's why in this channel I try to tell you and teach you to think a little bit outside the box. See what others are doing, but don't copy them exactly. Find your groove, find your voice, do something a little bit different, but not to the extreme that you're trying to just come up with a brand new idea. Because one thing they always tell you is, why try to create something new when there's something that is already working. So one of the ways they're making money is they telling you to use a certain email autoresponder, like I do in my channel, right? I tell you to go get respond. It's a 30-day free trial. If you want, hit it in the description, right? They do the same thing. They use their own email autoresponder, so you guys can copy and paste it. Also, you need to create the funnels. So how you gonna create the funnels, right? The funnels don't make themselves. They have to give you the landing page for the funnel. So you need to have the software for that. That's how they make their commissions. Also, the last part is traffic. And I mentioned to you that there's many ways of you guys to create traffic on any product. They have an email list. Okay, not only you creating your email list, but they also have an email list that they send you to, so you guys can purchase solo ads. Now, I'm really against that. I can personally tell you that for me, solo ads are never gonna be part of my business, because if you have an email list of, let's say, 20,000 people, and you're constantly blasting them with business opportunities, how to make money online, yes, people are gonna purchase, but it's gonna be a point where you're not gonna be receiving the same amount of traffic from solo ads. Yes, they teach you all the ways that you guys can get traffic, but that's how they make some of their commissions also. They'll send you to the solo ad person, and then they're gonna tell you, well, if you want 1,000 emails, you want 2,000 emails, whatever amount you want, you're gonna pay X amount of money, and then they're gonna be blasting that, and then they're gonna send your offer to their people, and you gotta make a sale. But they're also making commissions. The guy that created the 12-minute affiliate program and the owner of that email list. So at some point that's gonna dry out, and if you think about it logically, you have maybe 4 or 5 people that they use, and you have 100. We're taking maybe 50 to 60 people every day purchasing this product and going all the way through. Then you're having way too many people using the same email and promoting the same offer. So if I have an email and I'm subscribed and I receive 6 emails on the same day and it's the same product, then I'm probably not gonna click on the rest of them, and I might not even purchase them. I might even unsubscribe. So that's how this product works. Okay, you get in there, and that's what you're gonna get. So in this series, I'm showing you a completely different way that you guys can promote this product. Now, I believe it's a good product. And there's many different ways inside that you guys can make commissions, because if they buy the membership, it's a good thing, because the membership will constantly give you a cash flow every single month in commissions. And I always tell you, that's the first thing you need to do when you start affiliate marketing, is look for a membership type product, because you know every month you're gonna receiving cash, and you will know if you have 5 or 6 people, or maybe 3, and every customer is worth to you $20 to $30. Then if you have 3 people at $20, that's $60 every month that you're gonna receive commissions, because they're gonna be subscribed. And it's your job to help them out also, not just them with the product, but you as an affiliate, because you send them through your affiliate link to earn those commissions. And that's why you need an email autoresponder, so you stay in contact with these people and try to help them out if they get confused by any chance. Now, I mentioned to you an email autoresponder, when you want to promote a product, you can also promote another product. So if you decide to start a YouTube channel and you create reviews, you can go and say 12-minute affiliate review, okay? And you see this, all these reviews, and you were using this also as your information, okay? You can use this in the video, and towards the end you can push them into another product with Clickbank. For example, we're gonna go here and you have the Clickbank University, and the average sale is $225. That's another product that you guys can use with the 12-minute affiliate when you create a review. We're gonna click on this one, just I'm gonna pause it, right? And then right here, you can see right here the 12-minute affiliate product. She has her affiliate link right here, but you also can say, well, if you want to learn how to promote these products in Clickbank, you click on this and you have the Clickbank University link in the description. So then you're promoting 2 products against each other, but you're still gonna be earning commission. Understanding the products makes it a lot easier for you guys to actually be able to promote it. And done the reviews, you also have blog posts, and you will understand how the system works. And then if you feel like it's not something that you want to offer to your audience and you think it's not going to be that good, then that will be a good way for you guys to move into the next product and the next product, because you don't want to be one of those that promote products that they're really crap. And I said that in the first video. There's a few Clickbank products, they're you know, most of them are good, they're decent, but you want to make sure that you're trying to help people to not just try to earn commissions, because in the end you're trying to create a business for the long run, not just to start earning commissions today, and then eventually people will see through you and say, well, you know what, this guy is just offering products just to offer, and you know, a lot of those products are crap, and then nobody's gonna ever buy anything from you. So listen, I hope that this series really helped you. I hope that you go and implement them. Now there's so many other different ways, and if you guys want to know many different ways that you guys can promote affiliate products, hit that button that says subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that I come up with, so I give you even more ideas and more products that you guys can go and promote. Now the key is, if you guys decide to go with Clickbank, pick one product and promote the heck out of it. until you start earning commissions before you jump into the next one. But I also told you you can pitch two products against each other within your email list or within your YouTube review videos, and you still will earn commissions. But make sure that you don't lose track of that and try to promote way too many and you get confused and then you just like all over the place, because that's what happens to every beginner when they're starting an online business. So with that being said, guys, if you want a year plan how to start your online business, right here the video is coming right up. Go check it out, and then you guys can start planning content, how to get the traffic to your content, and you can start earning commissions as soon as possible. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching. I will see you in the next video.